So MySQL is not case sensitive. Any other question? This is one more example with a where condition, but with in operator. Basically, if you want to write where product line equal to classic cars, or where product line equal to vintage cars, or where product line equal to trucks and buses, instead of writing one condition with or condition on all of the columns, I mean for just one column and different conditions, you can just write where product line in either classic cars or vintage cars or trucks and buses. So you can use in operator. This one is pretty straightforward. You can try it out. Sorting. Can we sort the data based on a column? Earlier we told select star from table is the mantra. So select star from table and we just say order by column name. Let's say select star from products. You want to order by MSRP. So we want to sort it, right? Sorting is also known as ordering. So select star from table, table name, order by column name. So column name is MSRP. So by MSRP we want to sort it. Let's see how it is done. Select star from this table, order by MSRP. That's it. So you will select everything, but it will be order by MSRP. So we have selected everything from products table. If you look at MSRP, it's in order of MSRP, increasing order. Highest is 214. By default, MSRP it is ordered in ascending order. If you want to put descending, so order by MSRP, you have to give DESC, descending. So by default, SQL is ordering the table on ascending order. If you want to order it, if you want to force it from high to low, you can give descending. So select star, it selected every row, but this time it ordered based on MSRP, in descending order. So that's what our next one is. Select order by descending. We just need to add TESC. As I told you, SQL is very easy, very intuitive. You should get into this mode. Select star from product. This is a structure, and everything else very nicely fits into this one. If you want to sort it, then you write order by MSRP. If you want to sort it ascending or descending, ascending is by default. If you want to put descending, you just put DESC. Can we fetch summary statistics instead of data? Till now we are fetching star or the data, the column name, the records. What if I want to fetch summary statistics, something like total number of rows, total number of what is the average of a particular row, I mean average of a particular column. If MSRP is there, what is average MSRP? Or instead of actually getting the whole data, I want some summary statistic. So instead of select star from table, here we can write select count star from table. So this will give us total number of records. So this is count star. Star is the row, I mean all the columns with all the rows. Select count star gives us the number of rows. To fetch the number of rows, we write select count star from classic models dot products. What if we want to select count star? So it should fetch us how many number of rows are there. There are 110 rows. Select count star from this particular table. Or we can even write select count of a particular column name. So select count, that should be exactly the same, the output. Select count star or select count of a particular column name. Let's say a particular column name is products or product line or product name, doesn't matter, or product code. Select count of this one, again 110. So basically the table was this one. We can simply write select count star, it will just count the number of rows, or else we can write select count the particular column name, so it will just count within this column how many rows are there. Anyway, both are one and the same, 110 rows. Any questions till now? Now the next one, if we want to select sum, I mean if we want to select a particular column and if we want to add it up, we can write sum function. Select, instead of select star, right now we will select sum of a particular column from the particular table. So there is something called quantity in stock. I want to see how much quantity I have, or something called, let's say, sales. I want to see what is the total sales. Something called revenue, what is the total revenue. So if we want to see the sum instead of count, we just write sum of quantity in stock, quantity in stock from this table. So what is the summation of all that? So this is the summation, around 555,131 is the overall sum. Select, earlier was select star from the table, now it is select sum of a particular column from the table. Similarly, we can see the average also. Average function is avg. So there is one column called MSRP, what is the average price, or there is one column called quantity in stock, what is the average quantity in stock. We can get the average. The function that we should use there is select average of MSRP, average MSRP. That is what we want to select from this table. So it will simply calculate the average of this table. So average of that table is 100.43, or else we can also calculate the average of quantity in stock. Average quantity in stock, select average quantity in stock is the variable name from this table. 5046 is the average quantity in stock.